Alright, let's give this another shot. Here we go, we're up here in Hamburg. Just finished putting the roof on today. Did the siding, finished the siding a couple weeks ago. And then the homeowner, my good friend Shane, decided he wanted to do the solar. And we figured it was a good time to do the roof before you do the solar. Even though the roof wasn't that old, it wasn't maybe the best job on the roof. So we put a brand new roof on, matches the siding. You get the 26% federal tax rebate on the roof. There's a big savings there. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna start the solar. Really excited. We did the siding at the beginning of the summer, and then we decided, Shane decided he wanted to do some solar, and paperwork began. A lot of paperwork involved with solar. It can take some time waiting for a utility company. We have to submit to the utility company first. They have to approve it. Then we get architectural drawings made up. Submit to the city. City could take about a month or two. Well, the city should take generally 4 weeks. I believe they have like 21 business days or something by law, or 20 business days. About a month, but they'll kick it back, and then you guys bring back whatever kind of documentation is. So solar can be a little time consuming on the paperwork, but the actual work is quick. I think this siding job took us about 3 or 4 days. Gutters were about a half a day. Roof was a day. The guys got out of here a couple hours ago, actually. And the solar should be a couple of days. They started the electric. As you can see on the side there. Started the electric for the solar today. We're going to put the mounting brackets on our beautiful new roof tomorrow. We got a whole self-flashed mounting system. And then panels are going to be delivered tomorrow. Monday, this roof will all be solared up. So we're going to come back at you on Monday. Hopefully we're going to get Dougie Cool, Dougie Fresh out here from Undefeated Media. Shoot some great footage that everyone's been loving. Hey, Father Charles, Bishop Charles, thank you very much, sir. So yeah, very excited to get Doug out here and his team from Undefeated Media. Shoot some real cool footage. Everyone's been loving that. And it's about to get in about to turn that truck on, turn the AC on, head back down to Bergen County. So we do service, a lot of people ask, we do service northern New Jersey up here in Sussex. We got a siding job going on in Hamburg right now. Do a lot of stuff here in Highland Lakes, Vernon, West Milford. We also do Jersey Shore down till, I don't know, we just did a job in Forked River. So you guys interested in some roofing, solar, siding, see the amazing benefits of siding and solar, give us a call, message us, we'll come out, give you a consultation, and take real good care of you. Alright, everybody, we'll check you on the next one. Solar coming Monday. Take care, everyone, stay cool.